woke up today, be grateful. If you are here right now watching this video, be grateful. If you're able to chase your dreams today, be grateful. Content with not taking anything. And that's very big for me. Anybody that's been around for multiple years, money isn't everything. Stop fixating on just money. You need money to get the nice car. I know that. You need money to get the jewelry, to eat nice food, to afford the nice home, the nice apartment. I understand that. Not every condition is going to be the best. One thing that I've learned from playing games such as blackjack is you can't control the hand that you're dealt. But no matter the hand you're dealt, it's about what you do with the hand that you're dealt. That was one of the things that was holding me back. Me taking too many trades was the reason I was blowing accounts. Me taking too many trades and risking too much on those trades was the reason I was never able to get a payout. Very few accomplish it because very few deserve it. And very few deserve it because very few are going to be willing to put the work in required to deserve it. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another day, another opportunity. If you woke up today, be grateful. If you are here right now watching this video, be grateful. If you're able to chase your dreams today, be grateful. So with that being said, I'm about to try to join up on VIP if my setup would turn on and everything. There we go. But we're about to see what's up. Not going to be taking any trades, but I will be showing up to see if there is any trade opportunities to give to the team just to see what we could do. But at the end of the day, only time will tell. Let's hop straight into it. Let's get done the yapping. Let's hop on the chart. All right, we just got off the call. Didn't take no trades. The market, it had a good amount of volume. There was originally a long move that I'm not sure I showed you guys. Keno took advantage. He got a trade on that long move. And then it started going crazy with the shorts after 10 o'clock. And the shorts just died off, but I wasn't going to take advantage of it. I'm cool off the charts. It's Friday. Just going to come back. We still have Monday and Tuesday before New Year's. So there's still 2 more trading days before the New Year. So we still got time. And right now I got the dogs and my girlfriend over here. Yeah, just over here. I'm not sure what we going to do next, but about to get everything started. All right, everybody. Right now I'm chilling in my little office. As you guys know, this is a nice little setup I have. So if you're there for yesterday's Instagram live, you know what area this is. Don't worry about what's in my hand right now. Don't worry about it. But I just want to talk to you guys about going towards the end of the year. It's the end of the last main week of the year. Yes, we still have Monday and Tuesday trading, so we're still going to have opportunity. So I'm still not necessarily done with the charts yet. But overall, I just want to take the time to just talk about 2024. This was a great year. 2024 was one of my best years, and not even in terms of money. I've made a whole lot of money before. I've made a lot of money this year, but there's so much I've accomplished in terms of building the best version of myself. Even just think about today, I didn't take a trade. I didn't even log into my Tradeovate accounts. I didn't log into my Henko trade. I didn't log into none of my funded accounts. I didn't buy a new challenge. I was just content with not taking anything, and my hood keeps on falling. Just take the hood off right now. But I was content with not taking anything. And that's very big for me. Anybody that's been around for multiple years, not even just a couple months, anybody that's been around for multiple years, you would know. Taking trades is something that I used to do a lot of. I was heavy on taking a lot of trades, heavy on going 3 trades a day, trading every single day, 5 days a week. But that was one of the things that was holding me back. Me taking too many trades was the reason I was blowing accounts. Me taking too many trades and risking too much on those trades was the reason I was never able to get a payout. I was never able to pass a funded account. I had to learn that until I stopped doing the things that were keeping me in the same position, I wasn't going to elevate. I wasn't going to move to the next level. And one of the things I had to do was understand less is more. Everything that I tell you guys in these videos when it comes to trading concepts, when it comes to any advice, is stuff that I tell myself on a daily basis, because this is you versus you. Me with this camera right now is still me versus me in this apartment all the way up here. I'm even more alone up here. Think about how many people are above here with me right now. Not that many compared to how many people are on the bottom base level. You know what I mean? It just comes down to understanding what makes you do what you do and understanding why you do what you do. The biggest thing you got to ask yourself is why. Why are you over trading? Why are you over leveraging? Why do you feel that certain way that makes you want to do certain things, even though you know you shouldn't? And at the end of the day, it's a learning experience. It's all a journey at the end of the day. It's not going to be easy, but it's because the reward is going to be worth it. If it was easy, everybody would do it. If it was something everybody could do, everybody would do it. But it's very few accomplish it because very few deserve it. And very few deserve it because very few are going to be willing to put the work in required to deserve it. And just because you think you deserve it doesn't mean you actually deserve it. You will have the life that you want. You will have the life that you so-called deserve when you earn it. Simple as that. And if you don't have it yet, you haven't earned it. I don't have the Lambo yet because I haven't earned it. I don't have that Cartier watch yet because I haven't earned it. I don't have the FBA pendant yet because I haven't earned it. I don't have my first rental property yet because I haven't earned it. I got to build the person that's going to be able to attain these things. I'm going to have to build myself into the best version of myself so that I can get these things, so that I can do these things, so I can have these things. I already know that it's possible, but I'm not in a position yet to actually make it happen. So just about working every single day. 2024, I did a whole lot. I started VIP in 2024. For all the people that think I've been making money off VIP for years, VIP just started. It's just started. When it comes to YouTube, I finally got my breakout year, finally got the algorithm started, finally getting traction within the videos, consistently posting, consistently giving value, and I love the comments and I love all the feedback I get. I don't get much hate. I get a lot of love, and it's one of the few things that I appreciate. But I do know when we grow to YouTube, when we grow and scale, it's gonna come with haters, but it's just a numbers game. If I could have 1 million people that support me, there's probably gonna be 100,000 people that don't. So it's just a numbers game. If you have people that's hating, that means you have a lot of people that are also supporting, because hate is a very small percentage of the support. So if you have haters, you also have supporters. So you just gotta look at the bright side. But we went crazy with YouTube this year. Right now we're at 30,000 subscribers. We've grown almost 28,000 just this year. In 2025, we're going even harder. I'm trying to hit 100K. I'm going for over 70K subs this year plus. Let's even make it more. But that's my bare minimum, 100K subs for 2025. It's just crazy how much your life can change in a year. And even just with trading, the level, just who I am, like my trading in terms of the system, the strategy hasn't really changed. The only thing that's changed is the amount of money that I'm trading on a daily basis. I've diversified so much this year. I was only really trading funded accounts 2023. 2024, I was heavy on funded accounts, heavy on live accounts also, and I was doing both. So I think 2025 is going to be the year I'm doing live and funded accounts, but I'm also going to be doing a mix of copy trading accounts. So that's what I have planned as of right now. And as you guys saw, if you want to know how I got funded the 150K, like I just got funded another 150K in the past maybe a week or so. So go check out the last videos on that. But in terms of VIP, we grew VIP to 300 people. I'm trying to get it to at least 1,000 by next year. Just build a community of people that are going to just continue improving every day. Build a community of people that are like-minded and on the same mission of building their best version of themselves and making money from trading and making money online. Because there's a lot of us in VIP that make money doing other things besides trading. I want you guys to know that building yourself into the most valuable individual is going to make money come from everywhere. If you build yourself into the person that's going to be able to attract money, money will come. Not even in just trading. No matter what you do, you will be able to make money into it. And I stress you guys, don't just be a trader. Don't box yourself in one box. Yes, build a foundation off of one skill. If that's trading, then build off of that. But never keep yourself in that box. You always got to get out of your comfort zone and start learning new things, because once you stay comfortable, once you're not leveling up, once you feel like you made it, that's when it all goes downhill. But without all the yapping, I'm about to go out to these stores. I got family coming over soon because I have family that's in Florida right now. So they're going to be coming down from my grandma's and they're going to be staying here for a day or two, maybe 3 days. So yeah, we're just going to make it happen. Content's still going to be going. So with that being said, let's enjoy this day. Let's get to it. Let the adventure begin. Off to the races. See, I want to go to Burlington because I want to get another thing for my doors, for like, you know how you put hoodies on the door, but I want to use it for my bags, and the one I have is like, I got too many, so like I want to look for that in there. But gotta go to Ulta. Man, I honestly don't think I'll see anything at Ulta besides,
I know.
Yeah. All right, so far we're at Target. Got some towels because my family's coming over. We got this air purifier, and let me put this somewhere. Yeah, I was about to put that in the middle. But yeah, so far, now we gotta get some light bulbs. But we just got a whole bunch of stuff in the back. I was gonna show you what she got, but yeah, the glasses weren't turning on, so that's a little unfortunate. Here, I think she's gonna show. She basically got this, which cost like $650 originally, and she got it for how much?
100.
But it was on sale for 100, so not bad.
It's like if you buy one thing from Lancome, you get that for $79.
Yeah, it's not bad. And then we got a humidifier, we got some towels, but besides that, we about to head back to the crib, get it cleaned up before family come over. And yeah, we haven't ate, so we're probably gonna end up eating with my family or something. So that's that. The family here, so I'll see you guys when I see you. We got Blue, we got both dogs, got my brother helping me walk them. We about to pick up some food that we ordered, And then I think my parents are gonna be back. They went out to go get stuff. But yeah, as of right now, just been chilling at the crib, as always. All right, everybody, I am back in the crib, and as of right now, I'm just sitting down. I had set everything up. I got the light bulbs set up. I'll probably show you the light bulbs after I get out of here and everything after this little scene. I'm going to Top Golf at 8 o'clock, so that's going to be the plans. I got my family here. You can see that right now. I got some bags over there. My brother is going to be sleeping on this futon. My mom and my dad are going to be sleeping on the other bed, and me and my girlfriend still the normal bed. But as of right now, I'm just kind of chilling, just about to spit to you guys, just kind of give some value, just get some time, because even though today's not going to be the highest quality vlog, it's not going to be a vlog where I'm able to show you $2,000 trades. It's not going to be a vlog where everything is as structured as it usually is, but not every condition is going to be the best. One thing that I've learned from playing games such as blackjack is you can't control the hand that you're dealt. But no matter the hand you're dealt, it's about what you do with the hand that you're dealt. Same thing with any game. Same thing with the saying, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade, because you can't control the cards that you're dealt. But it's about controlling what you do with them, controlling how you react as a result to that. And that's very key, because even with me right now, even though this isn't the ideal conditions for me to get a high quality video out, I'm gonna make it happen because I got time right now. And most people, they stress, how do you get a video out every day? Everybody and anybody can get a video every day. Anybody can talk to a camera for 8 minutes. Anybody can do it. And especially if you're going through things. Because no matter what, I don't care if you're not successful. I don't care if you haven't made $1,000, haven't made $10,000, haven't made $100,000 yet. You know something that somebody wishes that they would know. You have some value that somebody wishes they had. And it just comes down to understanding that I don't care where you are in your journey. I don't care if you've only made $500. I don't care if you've only made $100. There's somebody that wishes that they could do that same exact thing. And that's value. I'm not saying charge them, but I'm just saying there's value in you just showing up and being you and speaking the truth, speaking from your reality. Because if you go through something, there's likely someone else going through the same thing. There's likely going to be someone else that's going to go through the same thing. And it's just about showing up and giving value to the world, because I always say it. I can make a lot of money trading. I can make a lot of money doing a lot of things. But at the end of the day, if you want to make $1 billion, change 1 billion lives. And I truly believe that. If you want to make $1 billion, change 1 billion lives. It's as simple as that. It's a numbers game. It really is. But with that being said, I'm about to show you guys the lamps. Let me show you these lamps. I have showed this in the other vlogs, so if you want to see how I got all this set up and this set up and all, make sure you go check that out. But let's go see these lamps out here. Here we got blue ski. We got the one lamp light. We got the other light. Got the other doggy. But yeah, that's what we got as of right now over here. Come back over here into the room. But yeah, like I said, the main thing I got planned right now, I'm gonna be going to Top Golf, so that's gonna be in the plans. I'm gonna be recording everything since I got the glasses. You already know I'm gonna be getting some content for you guys, probably gonna eat some food there. But this is the reality of being an entrepreneur during the holidays, just being anybody during the holidays. Spend time with family, especially if you're not seeing them all the time, especially if you live in a whole different state. Just do it. And even though I wanna work, even though I just wanna sit down and edit, even though I wanna get content, I wanna make money, I wanna do all these different things, I'm not with family every day. And it's about sacrifices. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do, and that's just discipline. So with that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in the next clip, and let's enjoy this night. Made it to Top Golf. On to the new game. I only got 12 points. I'm being cooked, not gonna lie, but we about to see what we can do. About to aim all the way. Put over there. That was a good hit, but not where I needed it. Almost. Hit the Angry Birds. Ugh. Wait a minute. There ain't no T. We swing. We get ready. Go like this. That went far left, I ain't gonna lie. Left is shit. Not horrible. Gotta get these dogs walked. Honestly, don't know if I'm gonna have enough content to post tonight, but I'm likely gonna get the vlog posted in the morning. Cause what time is it right now? Like 10:30, 11.
Should be like 10:45.
Yeah, it's like 11 o'clock at night right now, but let's get these dogs walked. No cap. And you guys probably seen a couple of the clips from Top Golf. Right now I'm in the game room down here because I'm about to get this VIP call started. I'm about to be active with VIP. We're going to be going over exactly how to build incomes around trading, building skill sets, building money, and building multiple incomes around the one skill set of trading and how they can do that and why it is important to do that. And I also want to piggyback off that and talk to you guys about the main topic of the video, which is likely going to be money isn't everything. Stop fixating on just money. You need money to get the nice car. I know that. You need money to get the jewelry, to eat nice food, to afford the nice home, the nice apartment. I understand that. But money isn't the only goal. Money itself isn't what you should be chasing. You should be chasing building yourself into the individual that's going to be able to attract money, that's going to be able to make money. Building yourself into the individual that can make money print. Right? Money is cool, but it's only just a tool to get you the things that you really want. You want these other things that money is just, it's the middleman. But don't fix it on just money, because as a man specifically, it's very easy to get caught in the working, in the business, in making money, thinking it's the best thing to do. And yes, without money, you can't have a good life. Without money, you can't live. Without money, you can't survive. Money is necessary, but it's not the end all be all. It's not the most important thing in the world. You can't fixate on it. Focus on the process. Focus on family. Focus on health, because these are things that if you don't have it, no matter how much money you have, it doesn't mean you're going to be happy. There's tons of people in the world that have a whole lot of money that aren't happy. There's tons of people that have a whole lot of money but aren't in shape. There's a whole lot of people that simply you would think are successful because they have money, but just because they have money doesn't mean that they're successful. Doesn't mean that they have the life that you can want. They just have money. And my microphone literally died, but I was just gonna say that they have a whole lot of money but aren't happy. And just because you have money doesn't mean that they have the life that you want. Just because they seem successful doesn't mean they're successful. Trust me, focus on you, build yourself, everything will follow. If you wanna learn how to trade, the free trading concepts in the description, the free trading webinars in the description. If you wanna join VIP to get access to the daily sessions that are going to change your life for only $30, join VIP in the description. I'm gonna see you guys in tomorrow's daily video.